Welcome back.
Hi.
This is my assistant, brightest light, Christo.
John. Christo John. That's my name. Hi.
So, let's get back to the action. As we were saying, we were making the casserole no fridge.
The no fridge casserole. What you want to do is get some tuna. Here's the tuna.
Thank you very much, my lovely assistant, Christo John. Now, first thing we're going to do, open the tuna.
Don't be afraid to touch that tuna. Yep, open it up.
Yep. Can you, let's use a can opener. We don't want to cut ourselves.
Here.
Safety first.
Well, I have a can opener.
Hand me the can opener, Christo John. Open the can.
It's a double.
Oh, I'm talking to myself.
It's a can opener and a garlic press.
Combination.
Oh.
Oh! And the tuna is wide open.
Open.
Fresh out the water.
Now, we
What do we
just
do
put
with the
this
tuna
back
next?
in the drawer because we didn't get dirty.
Lovely assistant, put that away. No need for sanitation.
Now,
there.
what we want to do is get cheese. I'll get cheese.
Okay, thank you, Christo John.
It's actually butter, but they won't know the difference.
Okay. Butter up our tuna.
Butter, and we have tuna. And
No,
then what
just-
you want to do is, can I tell them this next part?
You can tell them the next one. Thank you to my lovely assistant.
Welcome back to the R-rated version.
Oh.
What you want to do is put the tuna and the cheese in your Toyota
You want to swirl it
and
around.
drive to Kappa's Casing. By the time you get there, it'll be done. Thank you.